Bryce Schultz. Bryce was born and raised in Abbotsford, where he attended King Traditional and MEI Secondary. After high school, Bryce spent many months traveling for both volunteer opportunities and for fun. Bryce has traveled to Thailand, the Philippines, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. In these different countries, Bryce learned and demonstrated an ability to work alongside people of different cultures, to work as a team, and to achieve a goal despite everyone not having a common language. Bryce initially began a career as an electrical apprentice, but then switched trades and became a welder working for Hub Fire Engines in Abbotsford. Working full-time, Bryce has been studying business and criminology at UFB. Bryce has a strong desire to help his community, which he has demonstrated through his participation in Project Change, where he, alongside a group of friends, helped those in need by doing everything from cutting lawns to painting. Bryce has demonstrated a strong work ethic and a love for his community. Welcome, Bryce.
If I was being honest with the crowd, I'd point out that I have absolutely no idea which guy can handle each one of them. So we'll sort it out later. I looked at that, hoping for a picture of him, so there's your pen, your first ABD pen, symbolic of all the lovely reports you're going to write.